Okay, it says I'm live. I didn't see it say live yet. It's been live for 4 seconds. So sorry. All right, guys. So you're killing your week. You're doing your work. You're putting in the first 2 hours every day. Guys, it's Friday now. It's Friday. So you don't have to put in 2 hours today, guys. You don't have to put in 2 hours. I don't want you to put in 2 hours. It's Friday. Put in 1 hour. Put in 1 hour this morning. And all I want you to do, it's real simple. We're not going to do everything we've been doing the rest of the morning. All I want you to do is, let me get my banner up real quick. Sorry, I'm in between appointments right now, but I wanted to make sure I got this out. I want you to go on social and post the open houses in your area. I want you to go to your Facebook. I want you to go to your Twitter. I want you to go to your True Social, wherever your what are they called? Whatever your social platforms are, your LinkedIn. Post the open houses. Now, if you want to add a little bit jazz to it, not but jazz, go into Canva and watch one of my Canva videos. Go into Canva, make a video, put a video of a house in the background, and then put a title right over the top of it, an overlay right over the top of it, open houses this weekend, and of course put a picture of yourself and your brand logo. So your EXP logo, put your EXP logo on there, okay? Post that open house short video to your reels and to your post, and it's going to get attention. Guys, customers who are looking for houses are going to click on it. You're going to be notified through your kvCORE that they clicked on it, and you're going to be able to reach out to them and say, hey, let me customize your open house search. What are you looking for in your open house search? And maybe if some builders are available, I can get you in some homes with some of the builder reps too. So post that open house search every single Friday morning, and yes, on Sundays too, every single Sunday morning, but jazz it up a little bit with Canva and with the videos in the background. I've got videos on the channel, so just search Josh putting together open houses, or I'll put a link down below too. So that's the first thing you're going to do. It will not take that long. At the most, it's going to take you 10 minutes. It'll take you 10 minutes at the most. And then number two, guys, I want you to continue to like and comment on your friends list, okay? Take your total number of friends, divide that by 25. That's how many working days there are every month. And then I want you to go and comment on them. So if we did JKLMs last time, do NOPs, NOPQs this time, okay? Just keep going through that friends list. Keep being social. Like and comment on the things that you want to like and comment on. Share anything that they posted on Marketplace so that it's spreading out the word, and tag them in it. Make sure they know that you're sharing what they're trying to sell. You're promoting whatever it is they're trying to sell. Tag them in it. Make sure they know that. And that's how you like and comment and be social on social media, okay? On your Facebook or sorry, I had to wipe my nose. On your Facebook or on whatever social platform you're social on, do that to your followers or your friends. Be social with them, okay? It'll help you interact with them. And you don't have to talk real estate. Just ask them about their post. Ask them about their post. They know you're in real estate because of your banners, because of your stuff you put out there. They know that. All right? Thumbs up. Thumbs up. That's helpful. Okay. And then, guys, like I said, it's only going to take you an hour to do your Friday morning routine. Follow up with all your past leads, especially if you haven't talked to them yet. Follow up. You can never be too helpful, okay? And if they're a real lead, they're busy, they got stuff going on in their lives, you got to keep checking in with them as a real estate agent. That's your job as a salesman, as a saleswoman, to check in with people, and you've got to do it, guys. You absolutely have to do it. So follow up with all your leads, okay? Make sure that you've made contact with them. Take them through the LP Mama script. Get them in touch with your lender. Get them to that next appointment, okay? Get them to that next appointment. Be helpful. You're just checking in with them, especially the ones you haven't talked to yet, and especially the ones you haven't talked to this week. All right, that's it, guys. That's your Friday morning routine. And then, of course, you guys know tomorrow's morning routine. You got to give the glory to God. You got to enjoy the Sabbath, relax, take Saturday off. Don't worry about work. God's going to bless you. He's going to take care of you. You don't have to work on Saturdays if you don't want to. He asked you to observe the Sabbath, so observe the Sabbath. Give it to him. Give the glory to him. Spend the time with your family. You need a day of rest. And then as soon as it turns dark on Saturday, hit the ground running again. If you can't wait till Sunday morning, hit the ground running again Saturday night as soon as it turns dark. That's it, guys. That's the whole weekly first 2 hours. And on Fridays, it's only 1 hour. I wanted to save that little cherry. I wanted to save that little whipping cream on top for today. You guys weren't expecting it. I know you weren't expecting it, but just relax on Friday. Relax Friday. You only got 1 hour of stuff to do in the morning routine, and then you probably got closings you got to go to. So go take care of those closings. Go be excited with the customers. Go love on your customers, and just be you. Just be you. You don't have to be someone you're not. And then tomorrow, it's the Sabbath. Take the day off. That's it, guys. That's the whole playlist for the first 2 hours of every week. I'll see you guys on the next video. And of course, guys, if you've got any questions about eXp Realty and how it can take your business to the next level, if you're watching this and you're at another brokerage and you're not feeling as loved on as you should, call, text, or email me. I want to chat with you about all the tools that eXp Realty has available to make your business be the business that you want it to be. eXp Realty is obsessed with agent success, and I'd love to chat with you more about that. See you guys on the next video.